To everybody, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on the location you are joining us from. Welcome to our video for today, and we are here to do something very interesting as usual. It's your man Michael Armstrong. Do want to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscription below this video. Make sure you like this video as well so that the algorithm will favor you with much more of our videos. Also, ladies and gentlemen, remember to join our free Telegram channel. There you have access to free signals and many more free products that will be sent to you. The link is also in the comment section. Click that link and it's taking you directly to that free channel, and it's gonna make your trading experience a lot more better. So today we're gonna be hitting the market with our AI screen version 2.0. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be taking each of my trades with $100 and we're gonna see how much money we're gonna make in this session. All right, as you can see, for those that don't know, basically you choose between your classic and OTC market. That's how it operates. Then you take a very nice screenshot of your chart and then you attach it to your AI screener, and then you're gonna wait for a few seconds while the analysis stages change, and it's gonna give you a forecast with the direction of your market. You take a buy or a sell depending on what it says. It's also gonna give you the time that you are gonna be executing your market on. So let's go ahead and hit the market, read our trade for today, and as you can see, we're gonna be using our OTC market, OTC, Amazon OTC. We're gonna go ahead and take a nice screenshot. This is gonna be our first trade for today, and attaching it to our AI screener. We're gonna go ahead and attach it to find out what the prediction is gonna be. It says once we send it, it's gonna start analyzing and give us a forecast. So holding on tight to see how this is gonna be, ladies and gentlemen. It's analyzing the chart and it's building strategies. And is it gonna be a buy or sell, ladies and gentlemen? It is gonna be a 15 seconds 30 seconds buy, setting my timer on 30 seconds and executing a buy order on this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, people. And once again, this is predicted by our AI screener version 2.0 to be a strong volatility trade. Success probability said to be high. So I've accidentally opened two positions here, but we're gonna hold on and see, hoping this is gonna turn out to be a win. That would be a times 2 win. We're risking $100 times 2, and if it wins, we have gained 2 times profit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, on our timer we have 11 seconds left. I'm holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out. 3 seconds on the other trade, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. First trade is in and the second trade is in as well. Nice and smooth. So this is a good start for our session. AI screener giving us the banger in the market. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade, which is gonna be our next trade. And what is it gonna be? It's gonna be on Tesla OTC. Let's go ahead and take a nice screenshot of Tesla OTC, sending it into my AI screener version 2.0. It says once you send it to start the analysis and give you a forecast. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, people. It is attaching our screenshot, and what is this gonna be? We are about to find out, people. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, it says once we send it to process it. As you can see, it's analyzing the chart. We're gonna wait for a few seconds and see what the prediction is gonna be for this trade. And ladies and gentlemen, studying candlesticks. And what is it gonna be? It is gonna be a buy, a 15 seconds buy, setting my time on 15 seconds and executing a buy order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out after a 15 seconds waiting time. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, AI screener. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out. 3 seconds left on the timer, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Nice and smooth, ladies and gentlemen. We just secured our next win in the market. Let's go ahead and keep cruising. Next trade, what is it gonna be? Let's go ahead and hit the market with Johnson & Johnson OTC. That's gonna be our next trade. Let's go ahead and take a nice screenshot of our Johnson & Johnson OTC. We're gonna go ahead and send it in and hold on for the prediction. $100 on the line. It says once we send it to start analysis and give us forecasts. It's building strategies and it's studying candlesticks. And what is it gonna be, ladies and gentlemen? It is going to be a buy. It is gonna be a 3 minutes buy. Let's set our timer on 3 minutes and execute a buy order for this trade. Risking $100 for this trade, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna hold on and see what the prediction is gonna be. So far, so good in the market today. We're able to take 1, 2, 3 different trades and all were win. We're gonna hold on and hope this is gonna be our next win in the market. Predicted by our AI screener version 2.0 to be medium volatility level, success probability to be high. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. The bias came in, and on our timer we have 2 minutes 34 seconds. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. See you soon. next win in the market, predicted by our AI screener to be a medium volatile trade with a success probability to be high. We're gonna hold on tight. We are almost there, people. 4 seconds left on the timer, 3 seconds left, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Nice and smooth. That's another win for us, people. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade, which is gonna be on McDonald's OTC. That's another stock. We're gonna go ahead and take a nice screenshot of McDonald's OTC. We're gonna go ahead and attach it to our AI screener version 2.0, people. Holding on tight. It says once we send it to start analysis and give us a forecast, we're gonna hold on tight and see what this is gonna play out. We're risking $100 for this trade as well. And what is it gonna be, ladies and gentlemen? It is gonna be a sell, a 30-second sell. Setting my timer on 30 seconds and executing a sell order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. Predicted by our AI screener version 2.0, this is gonna be a medium volatile trade. Success probability to be medium as well. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, this is your AI screener giving us the catches in the market today. So far so good. We've recorded a lot of wins in the market, no break evens, no loss, and it looks like we are about to record the next win. Ladies and gentlemen, 6 seconds left on the timer, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Nice and smooth, people. It has been a good time in the market today. So far we were able to record 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different trades, and as you can see, it has been back-to-back wins. AI screener giving us the trades. All we had to do was take a nice screenshot and send it. It processes it and give us the direction. Next trade, we're gonna hit the market pool for the 6th trade of this session. We're gonna go ahead and hit the market with this deal on Alibaba OTC. Alibaba OTC, $100 on the line. Let's go ahead and attach our screenshot to our AI screener version 2.0. It says once you send it, it's gonna start analysis and give you the forecast. So holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out. It's starting candlesticks, and ladies and gentlemen, what is it gonna be? It's gonna be a 15-second sell. Setting my timer on 15 seconds and executing a sell order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see what the prediction is gonna be for this trade. This is predicted by our AI screener version 2.0 to be medium volatile trade. Success probability to be high. Holding on tight, ladies and gentlemen. We have 4 seconds left on the timer, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Nice and smooth, people. It is another win for us. 6 trades secure. Let's go ahead and hit the market with one more trade to make it 7 positions today. Microsoft OTC, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be our next trade. We're gonna hit the market with Microsoft OTC and taking a nice screenshot of our chart. We're gonna go ahead and attach it to our AI screener, people, and hold on to CCs. Once we send it to start analysis and give us the forecast. So what is this gonna be? We are about to find out. It says building strategies and it's starting candlesticks. Ladies and gentlemen, this is gonna be our last trade of this session. $100 on the line, and it is going to be a buy on 1 minute. Setting my timer on 1 minute and executing a buy order on this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out after a waiting time of 60 seconds. Predicted by our AI screener version 2.0 to be a highly volatile trade, medium volatile trade with a success probability said to be higher as well. We are buying and we are holding on tight, ladies and gentlemen. On today's market, we're able to place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different trades, and they were all wins. This is gonna be the 7th trade and the last trade. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out. On our timer, we have 30 seconds left. We are almost there, people. AI screener version 2.0 predicting our trades today. As you can see, all we had to do was send a screenshot. It processes it and tells us whether to buy or to sell and on what time to execute our trades. Alongside with that, it gives us parameters on the volatility level of the trade and the success probability of the trade. Ladies and gentlemen, on our timer, we have 7 seconds left, almost there. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play at 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Nice and smooth, people. It has been a good time in the market. This is a successful session. We were able to place 7 different trades, and ladies and gentlemen, how much money we made, we are about to find out. We've placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different trades, of which 6 were $92. Let's go ahead and multiply 92 times 6, which is gonna give us a total of 552. And then we have one trade that was $90. We'll go ahead and attach $90 to that. And ladies and gentlemen, in total today we're able to make 642 USD. This is what we've made in less than 15 minutes in this session using our AI screener version 2.0. Very easy and short, as you can see. I highly recommend you get this product for yourself, ladies and gentlemen. Inculcate it into your trading and you'll be able to boost your account balance. You can see basically in a short period of time I've made this amount of money. How much can you make in a longer period of time? So do well and get yourself this product. And ladies and gentlemen, it is your man Michael Armstrong. I'm gonna be signing out now, but before I do that, reminder to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscription below this video Make sure you like our videos as well, so that the algorithm will send you much more of my videos. Check our Telegram link, which is attached in the description of this video, where you have access to free signals and many more free products at your disposal. The link is in the comment section of this video as well. All right, see you next time. Have a good time trading and wish you good luck. Bye.